Hello there, whanau. Good morning, good evening, afternoon, early hours of the morning, but try not to stay up too late. Kia ora. Benny Tricks, thank you very much for the sub, brother, along with it's to you. Much appreciated, whanau. Thank you. Now, the Joe Stone, thank you very much for the bits as well, whanau. Now, if you're thinking of subbing today, dropping donos, you can't anymore. I took the donation thing off. It's easy to find, you just scroll down, have a look, and it'll tell you exactly what to do when you get there. Hey, cheers, Soul Zero. How's it going? Cheers, brother Soul. Yeah, I'm doing good, brother. Really busy in town here, which is normal for like the Christmas period. Maddens, thank you very much for the sub, my brother. Thank you. Much appreciated, brother. And Misfit gift. Oh, with the 3 months. Mad love, brother. And Lulu Ghost with the bits. Much appreciated to you as well. Thank you. And XLG. God damn. Come on, guys. It's almost Christmas. Don't you have baubles to buy? And Dynamotion. Thank you very much, Dynamotion. Hey, JT. So, brother, how's your streams been going, bro? So, Gasolot gifted a sub too. Oh no, he subbed himself. Sorry, brother. It was Kakashev gifted a sub to Fualima. And All's 4,000. Much appreciated for the sub too, brother. God damn, whanau, you's alright? You don't have to. Goddamn hype train. What is it? A scam train, eh? Zerg Barbecue, thank you very much. And Soul Zero, bloody soul, no ear zero. Gifted a sub to Joe Ma. Much appreciated, whanau. And the Persian King, AOT Season 4. Dropped so high. What's AOT, brother? About 30 guys? Okay, dude. Much appreciated, whanau. Don't having an issue with party chat, but we'll figure it out. Nice, JT. Who's all ready for Cyberpunk? I bet a few of you are ready for Cyberpunk. Been waiting, eh? Cheers, brother Nomad. How are you, my bro? Okay, dude. Thank you very much, brother. And Baringo Omen, much appreciated, whanau. Come on, guys. Never mind the train. Look after yourselves. Now let me know if you've scrolled down to see the dono button. 4 more days. Yeah. Been patiently waiting for Cyberpunk. Already got cucked for like 7 months. Man, it's gonna be wild on PS5, eh? Especially for all the PS5 owners out there. That'll probably be the game on the day. That'll be going off. Thank you, Ace Para, for the bits, man. Much appreciated, brother. Attack on Titan. Oh, yes, my bad. PC Master Race. Oh, yeah. Oh, I don't mind either way. I have a PS4 and I still use it. On top of obviously playing well in other games. Are those Gucci shoes? They're red bands, brother. Persky Leo, thank you very much for the bits. And then JT with the 8 months. Holy damn. Blakey, you blocky. Thank you very much, Blake, as well, for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, brothers. Are you enjoying Shadowlands? Yeah, when I can play it, brother. It's been a bit hard lately trying to play games because of, you know, a newborn. Can only play like late at night when I'm really tired and I hardly get anything done, so I'm not even raid ready, eh? And I really like the plate set from the new raid coming up. Really liking it. Can you say hello? Hello. Yeah, so be interesting to see. I'm hoping you bump into Garrosh in the raid, eh? That'll be badass if you bump into him. Then he becomes the new sire. Oh! Hey, Persky Leo. Hey, brother. Hey, man, where do your sculptures go? They're commissions, brother. Metal within me. Chill, my bro. You didn't have to give those. How you been, bro? This ocarina? Yeah, bro. I just jam out the game music to be safe. Kinda hard to play music these days on Twitch, eh? Not like the good old days. Castle Nethria, yeah, bro. Bro, I really like the plate set there, eh? Other than the boots, but man, the rest of the set is good. It's shaping out as Mo at the moment. No pun intended. Hey, busy mama. Morena, hope you're doing good. Oh, and there was a bloody tier 2. Kore taringa. Just drawing. Just been drawing. Oh, Chur metal within me. Stitches coming along nicely. Yeah, bro. I know it's taking me quite a while. And sorry for that. I just don't want to fizziak it up, eh? We can ask one for about commissions. I won't be taking any commissions till next year, brother. Visa guidelines are a nightmare these days. Yeah, bro. Persky Leo, thank you very much for the bits, brother. I know what you're doing, man. You don't have to do that. It's just... oh, God. And then Cephia's Canadians here. The family watches you. Have a good one, eh? Thank you very much, eh? Much appreciated, brother. Shout out to you and your family over in Canada, and I hope you're safe, my bro. Eh? Ryan87, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Okay. That is one thick mo. Where's our... Oh, mind you, yes, Mo's pretty thick on here too. Yep. Got thick Mo. Yeah, I think I made a mistake on my warrior joining Bastion. Should have just went Maldraxxus. I like the armor set, eh? Really enjoyed it. Thanks, Sage Gill. Got a Grogmeister. Okay, let's even out this. Did I want condemn for the warrior? Oh, it seems like everyone's just going Ravendreth for condemn me. I just like joining whatever. I'm not really into like meta and all that, but I know that's the key thing right now is condemn. It's condemn for the win. I just like the armor set for Maldraxxus and the storyline as well. Need that nose to pop a bit more. This bit here is his bottom lip, obviously underneath them, right? God, I hope UBISOFT ain't getting annoyed with me. Oh, and I just whacked his lip off. Well, mind you, that's heaps of meat there. All good. Yo! Castor, thank you very much for the bits, brother. Is it raining? Not yet. Looks like it wants to, though. Oh, do you keep your hair well groomed? Brush it and wash it. That's pretty much all. Don't shampoo it every day, because that makes it worse. Yes, just a few little things to do at the moment, like getting the squareness out of the beard, because it doesn't look very square on the picture, and also the game. Hey, Chur Thunder, the waddling duck. Thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Chur Grogmeister. Hey, Giraffe Formation, how are you? At the moment, my bro, looks like you're winning the code. Everyone must already have Shadowlands. Zelda music is a vibe too, bro. Yeah, and it's safe. Can you tell us about your mallet? I've never seen. It's made of wood. I made it myself from a block of wood. It is rata, a native hard timber. Yeah. No, I haven't entered. Oh, all good. Just a basic mallet that my ancestors used, brother. That's about as deep as it goes. How does my guy not have 10 million followers? No OnlyFans. What else? No OnlyFans. Not asking for it. Not playing Among Us, or I don't know. Not playing the in-game, I would say. Renus Schwain, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Might give the panda the old delete and start again treatment. Fair enough. The old delete. I need to come on the side to get rid of the squareness. Sorry, whanau, if this is a bit boring for now. It's usually how it goes first. Then we get down to the nitty gritty. God Samot and more hockey. Thank you very much for these subs, guys. Yes, streaming Matthew. I forgot to let them know if they don't like it at the end product. They can say they don't. It's all good. And I can hear my daughter crying. Okay, so we're just doing the beard at the moment. Do we receive hair flicks? Yes. Shitless ones. Hi guys, come and join my OnlyFans and watch me do nothing and pay. Simps in the chat. That's how they do it, eh? Simps in the chat. Okay, cheesecake. Ooh, early one for the morning, whanau. Early one for the morning. Yeah, I haven't even brushed my hair either. And what's everyone saying? It was really great. Yeah, it's a pretty funny movie. Just typical NZ humour, brother. So yeah, we might have to have a bit of a watch movie night in my Discord, eh? Watch Thor. Here we go. What do you reckon? What do you reckon? Let me know. Yeah, one more. Woo! Hey McNenna, happy birthday, brother. It's not my birthday. To McNenna. Greetings from Boston. Hey, the Celtics. Oh, you visited Rotary right before COVID. Take me right back, much love. Yo, thank you, Malcolm. Much appreciated, brother. Damn, you were here. What did you do while you were here, brother? If you don't mind me asking. Hey, Quantum. Kakihiaka. Did I say that right, brother? How's it, brother? Cheer, big bro. Yeah, all good, brother. Sweet as, my bro. Just doing trying to do all of this. This man is a beautiful Norse god. Forget the carving. If you compare me to Idris Elba's Heimdall, I'll 100% claim. That dude was like Usher, the Usher of Asgard. kind of serious question. Do you actually believe that Norse gods could exist? I mean, all gods of many cultures exist, eh? I reckon. Not gonna lie, probably more the natives gods than others. Tima Prime Doll. Thank you, Uwu, for the sub. What's up from North California? Hey, cheer, brother. Much appreciated for the sub, man. Oh, sis. Usually girls are all about their uwu, but then again these days dudes like that uwu stuff too. So it's hard to tell. What is that uwu thing? Even to this day I do not know. And he seems so much wiser. No, I'm not. I'm just a kid trapped in an adult's body. Because I like to muck around a lot. Ultima weapon. Oh, yes. It was a lost bet. I think it's better than my cousin's name here to rename his after losing a bet. His one was Loud Chicken Queefs. I don't know if that's TOS, but yeah, that was his name. I was like, I don't even know what that is, but okay. Perfect. Hello, who up? First egg of the morning. But there was so I was checking bands last night, eh? And one dude who was like being an all-round egg, putting like sexual references in the chat who got banned. He was saying, "Oh, I was only trying to be funny to my friend next to me." I was like, oh, cool. You're not getting unbanned. Now you can be funny next to him IRL. Much love from the UK. Hey, Benetrix. Tricks. Hello and welcome to the Long Ranch. He was like, what gives you the bloody... In what world do you think it's okay to do that and say, oh, I was just trying to troll my friend who's right next to me but in your chat? What? No thank you, dude. Denied. Absolutely denied. It's going to be my new study stream, mate, as long as you get the study done. That's my thing. That band appeal system's can be a good laugh sometimes. Just looking at the excuses that are made. I think the funniest one is, you need to unban me for my dog's safety. I was like, bro, that's not even funny. There's some doozies sometimes. Make the beard nice and silky smooth. Yo, Damon Carter, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Imagine threatening your own dog's safety and saying it belongs to someone else. Yeah, that dog, eh? It's a dog move. No pun, but you know. It's like, wow, you're that guy. This section's a bit hard, mainly because there's like a knot right there. Oy. I think I need to hit it from the other side. We'll make it a bit rounder. Oh, is Joshua here? Oh, yes too. Chur, my bro. Broxh is legit. Hey. Oh, that's right. You. Oh, come on. Hello. How are you? Yo, Joshua, thank you very much for resubbing with the tier 3, bro. Oh, God. And then gifting 5 subs on top of that. Holy cow. Now you'll know what happens when it's 5 or above. Story time. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we start once again with the new story for the new dude who is Joshua. That's what I was thinking, Sam the Kid. I was like, can I work for you? Now, if you do not know, ladies and gentlemen, Joshua, the MMA fighter who has gone 5-0 but gifted his opponents a sub anyway, that is who our story is about today. Alright, thank you very much for the sub. Joshua, a new MMA fighter on the block that is currently 5-0. His next opponent coming up is old Barry from the pub. Who is Barry? Barry Big Mouth is his name. Now, ladies and gentlemen, don't get it twisted. Barry Big Mouth is no normal fighter, as he has quite huge calves and huge feet, so he's a bit of a kicker. Oh, true casting. Oh, thanks for tuning in, brother. Very Big Mouth sounds like a dog. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Joshua had 5 weeks to train for his next fight with Barry Big Mouth. Not just a big mouth, but he also has huge calves as well, and he's a bit of a kicker. Gotta sleep, take care. Oh, but my story. Well, ladies and gentlemen, to be continued, as our main man decides to go for a sleep, he jumps in the ring, mind my language, fuck shit up, and leaves. Just like that. Yeah, true, Joshua. Yeah. Hope you're well though, bro. You know I gotta ask. Bro, thank you so much for that, brother. Straight up. We'll carry on anyway. So obviously he had 5 weeks to train against his fight against Barry the Big Mouth. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Joshua, what he would do day in day out for a week, kicking banana trees to harden those shins for the mighty kicks. So, ladies and gentlemen, kicking those banana trees all day and then moving on to poles for the second week. His legs were then, obviously, oh god. JT, you have a family, so what are you doing? Oh, and then death by food. What the hell? Okay, dude. Oh my god, JT, you bloody know-ears. Okay, can we have a shout out for JT since he's streaming now? Blimp, thank you very much for the sub bar. Okay, as Joshua prepared himself for the battle ahead, Hey, Ozpix GG. Chur, brother. Now, continuing with our gifted story, as Joshua prepared for his fight in the weeks to come, he hired 6 ring bros to help him through the battle ahead. Obviously, the ring bros are the ones they're going to help him, coach him through the fight, and one of them's also going to have the ring girl with the signs. Totally threw out my back, worried I won't be able to do work in the shop for, but it's all good, steady brother. Yeah, look after yourself now. Usually what I do when my back's out, brother, I just sleep on the floor, bro. That's my go-to. Getting old sucks. I call it leveling up, bro. We're getting too strong for our own bodies. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as Joshua hired JT and the Ring Bros, they began the necessary preparations for the ongoing fight ahead. Now, if you don't know, Joshua and the Ring Bros decided that it was time. Now, as JT was taking Joshua, I want to donate. Haha, you can't because it's Christmas and I took it off. Shame on your undies. Nah, save your money for you, bro. I took it off for a reason. Broxh, mon. Hey, that sounds like a cool Digimon. The off branch of Zudomon. Give me that hammer. Okay, let's not take off that corner here. There you go. Taking off the corner. Okay, so for Christmas, for your guys' Christmas Day, so that'll be Boxing Day for us. Thinking of going for a bit of a hike. Oh damn, who was that? Oh, it's the Nip of the Slip. Hey Nip Slip, how are you? Thank you very much for gifting a sub. And Shanghai GTV for the biddies. Thank you, Master of the Bet. You are. Let's round off the speed, eh? Ninja Turban, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Streaming Matthew, the first thing you do is not worry about it at all, brother. And what you want to do is you want to use your own money to go and buy you some Christmas cookies. Don't get fruitcake because I feel like fruitcake. Go ahead, brother. I'm not a fan of fruitcake because it's... Never been a fan of it, eh? Even in the Crisco's. Never was a fan of it. Okay, this beard is looking more beardy by the second. Like it's still... you don't have to bulk crew. Just come and watch, brother. Alright, since we've all been here for a while, ladies and gentlemen, top 5 songs of the year. Oh, Nipslip, thank you very much for the 2 months in a row. Can't wait to see the finished product. Me too, brother. Me too. I hope it goes good. I really do. But it seems to be going all good so far. I need to take a bit off this motash. I'll send my Secret Santa out today after the stream, since post offices aren't open on Sundays. I did not know that. Work. Oh, hold up. 6 life, 6 broth. Work. Something is doing. spell Troy King, you break my heart. Oh. Can we get a close-up of your bed? Why, you might see food in it from last night that I don't know that might still be there. Hold on. So here's your top 5 songs. Yeah, don't post links, whanau. They get insta-deleted. Are you enjoying The Mandalorian? Bro, it's so good, eh? I don't want to talk about it too much because there might be people that haven't seen it yet. It's made me want a bit of a moat, but nah, I don't want to put too much on the bro's plate. Hey, Chur, what? Don't spoil it, please. Yeah, I won't. I'm glad to see you know who again. Yeah, old uncle, eh? The uncle. The muss. How's the Zanux today? How was your anniversary just? Hope it was great, man. That was pretty feels bad, man. You went to a bit of a birthday with no kai. I would have left. Yeah, only 2 eps left. Straight up, Matthew. I didn't even know, brother. That's kind of dumb. That's getting really good too. It belonged to my father. Anniversary mean, but my birthday wasn't. Yeah, man, I was quite mummy about that. Hey, you went to a birthday with no kai. That's a crime in itself. You still feeling traumatized? Ah, thanks, guys. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. Grogu, whatever his name is. Strong with the force, you are. Thank you for the bits, Rye. I don't think I should say that name. Strong with the force, you are. Grogu. Ah, yeah. For a minute there I thought it was, hey, is his name Goku? What if he's Yoda's offspring, eh? They're like, how? No one wants to lie with him. Ginjubi, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Yo, I'm head off to sleep now. Have a good one. Thank you very much for tuning in, John Winter. Can you do your best Kermit? Oh, try. Hey, bird. Hey, today, bird. Could he beat Goku? In the cuteness section, yeah? Right, thank you very much for the sub as well, man. Maybe there was a Mrs. Yoda. Oh, she was in the deleted scenes. Yeah, as you all know, I can't necessarily watch any Star Wars movie, but Mandalorian, bro, that's so good. Thank you, Roy. I will, brother. I'll do my best, my bro. Too soon for a hair flip? Oh, I've already done one. Yeah, her name was Yaru. Oh, well. I didn't even know that. Oh, Yoda, bit of a skux. Had a bit of a Tinder, eh? It was pretty interesting. Oh, no, I better not. It's a past episode, but still people may have not seen it. Yeah, man. It was so cool seeing You Know Who back in. I was wondering why he hasn't been around lately. Nice Lakers jersey. Thanks, brother. I can't. It's just too long and boring for me. Sorry to the Star Wars people out there. I fall asleep, eh? But to me, Mandalorian's really interesting. I really enjoy it. You can't donate, ha 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 ha. Man, the last 3 movies were Resident Sleeper. True, but that's the latest ones too, eh? Yeah, I took the Dono link off, bro. Sorry. Oh, not really, but... Oh, Christmas, bro. Christmas. I'll be alright. The food I get is from the sea. It's free as. Just make sure it's size, otherwise don't get caught. Legal size. Nah, you're all good, bro. Save your money. And it's straight to bed. Yo, Benetrix and Ray and Roy. Thank you, whanau. You don't have to, though, eh? Nā rawa mātaki noi ho. Hello, games. Bro, you're all good, brother. How are you? To all my well people out there, does it cost to change your covenant? Or shall I just leave my warrior in Bastion for the Bundi spear? Okay, yeah. Okay, more prominent is please don't link. Nah, I won't, bro. I'll wait till maybe Feb. I don't know. When I feel like it, really. Bro, there's no Donald. Not gonna be one. Yeah, he's all good. Just yeah, just accept it, bro. There's gonna be no Dono link. Just come and chill, bro. That's all. You're all good. Very thick beard. Just give subs if you want. No, don't do that either. Who said that? Oh. Go buy yourself a cookie. So in order to have nice flow of the beard, we're gonna do lines. One. Imperfect lines as well. Yeah, that'll work. Did you watch Run the Street last night? Oh, no. Where was I last night? Asleep. And playing well. I'll send my thing out today, Maya. Aroha mai for taking so long. I haven't even opened my one yet, eh? I feel like I think I need to wait. What kind of occupation do you have? Carver for the Horde. No, I just stream and carve, bro. I've been carving since I was 12. Bit of a lag. Okay, this looks good. Yeah, marvelous. This is for UBISOFT. You're probably ho-ha with me because it's taken me so long. It's been hard, man. I think we're going to open them at the same time. Is this in Discord or on our individual streams? Really nice grain in this wood though. That's awesome. Did you believe when they reached out to you? No, not at all. Well, once I saw the email and the official pin they had below their thing. Offshore fish. Cheers, brother. Yeah, I was like, what? Me? Why? That was my first initial thought, and they acknowledge that they know I don't normally do this kind of stuff. And I thought, oh, that's pretty nice they knew that. That's why I said yes. And it looks fun, and been a big fan of Assassin's Creed, eh? Sturdy Bundle, thank you for gifting us up to Revo. Much appreciated, bud. Hydrator. Okay, Sam, let me just go and get my water because I forgot to get it. And we'll have a bit of a snack as well soon. Thanks, username Chris. Oh damn, what happened now? Tony! Holy cow, bro. Bro, what's your job? Yo, Tony, thank you for another 5, bro. Holy cow. Okay, who would he be? Tony Ferguson? Tony Hawk. Myth 5, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my dude. Tony Thompson? Tony Stark. Oh, yes, that makes sense. Tony Baloney. Ooh. Could be. Real Tony Hawk Pog. Party Pirate, thank you very much for the 2 months, my brother. Tony Stark, Tony Montana. Manny Murder. Oh, I see a Quinn sub in there too, brother. Thank you very much, Tony. Hold on, whanau. Far out, brother. I got an exam. Can you all pray for me, please? Good luck, toilet boy. Good luck, brother. Tony. Not much is known about Tony. But what is known here has just gifted 10 subs. A man of mystery. A man of little information. As we all know. What does Tony do during the day? We will not know. What does Tony do during the night? We do not know once again. Who bit the pineapple? Thank you very much, brother. For the 2 months, bro. Now, just goes with like that old saying, who is Tony? Why is Tony? Tony. Hey, Black Bear. Got another 8. Getting better each month. Yo, thank you, Black Bear, for the 8 months more, bro. Mad appreciation, brother. Thank you. The Big Bear. Just a normal guy, that's what someone, a secret agent, would say. That's what he wants us to believe, chat. Big brain, big brain. Man, I gotta carve up this way. Can you get a TV to read chat from? The TV outside would look very silly. And then, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Fair Father, yeah bro, I've had it since I was 17. This is the first thing I bought with my first ever work pay. And it still fits me well. For now. I need to come on this side. Get this mow out the way. Sorry, I had to drop it down a little bit. It was way too high. Just want it just a bit lower. Yeah, I've got an iPad. I just need a... I was looking at one of those stand thingies. But it's been hard to find one. I'll have a look again. Bit of a treat myself. PG, yeah brother. Hold up, whanau. Well, I need a head be detailed. from the initial project, yeah, it's pretty much got the most detail in it. But I mean, his clothing is detailed as well, and along with the base. As you can see. Ever thought of carving marble? Nah, not really, brother. Not at all. I mean, this is the first time I've ever carved anything outside of what I normally do, which is traditional Māori wood carving. And, bro, it's hard. Especially when, I only get little time to do it before I have to go and pick my baby up from school, off stream. And once again, I'm like thinking half the time of how to approach it. Oh, Flimzilla. Oh, it's I don't know if it'll be exactly like the picture, but I'm trying to get it as close to it as possible with the skill set that I have. It's been really hard, eh? Really hard. Where's my pencil? Hey, Texas Hula. Hey, brother, how you going? Can we get a shout out for the bro, please? Yeah, it's really challenging me, Hula. Really challenging me. Okay. Let me just mark out this handle. My mother told me someday I should find that is to go, say to distant shores, stand up on the papa, no more for nice dear, steady walks to the island, too many fallen. Hey, Western Ape. Yeah, I'm all good, brother. All good. Just trying to get this done, brother. It's hard. Hard AF. Chur Claire for the 7 months. Cheers, brother. Thanks, Quando. Tell me, Quando. Hey. Next one will probably be easier. Oh, imagine doing another one. Even people go, bro, you should carve Naruto. I can't do that. I watch anime, not carve it. Like, come on. Haria Maya. Did it walk to the healing? It's like something you can mount on a boat. I actually have no idea what they're gonna do with it, but once I send it out, so hopefully it makes it, eh? So I've never sent stuff overseas, so I'm probably gonna get some insight from one of my old carving tutors. He sends a lot of his stuff out. A Broxh statue? No, there's no need for that. Morning, the man. Man Shams. Cheer, brother. How are you? Boogie, probably on me Insta. Hey, it's a holiday. I got holes on road. Thundering Bagua. Walk into a butthole. How about yourself? Cheers, Shams. Yeah, all good, bro. Busy trying to raise 2 kids. For any advice from you and Thunder and Maya? It's been pretty hard, not gonna lie. That's why it's been hard to stream at the same time some days because I'm tired. Fox, thank you very much for the 2 months, brother. Looks great, cuz. Cheer, bro. Do you know how to do the haka? Yes, I do. Hey, Fanta. Hey, bro. How are you?
I can play high.
What's the time? 8's the time. Gotta head out 1 to go to the post office. Come home, carry on carving. Where do you get those stands for? Just Mitre 10 Mega or Bunnings. Go to the AEG section. They're pretty much everywhere. It's the day off. Oh, true. Mowing the lawn and being housework. Oh, mow our lawn. You must have the perfect lawn, eh? Thank you, Stevie. Wish I was more ahead than this, eh? But man, it's been hard, eh? But it's all good. Nothing to mope about. Everything's good. Just trying to get this done. Not that much eggs today, eh? Been pretty good. Who's your favourite character? It's Mufasa, brother. Flousy. Hold on, find it. Just trying to get the squareness out of the sections of the beard. Ain't nobody got a square beard. Well, that I know of. I'm trying to be as subtle as I can because there's a bloody knot right there. No eggs, true. Any advice for raising 2 kids? Easy. Not much from you and Thunder. Do a hug for 100k points. Oh, I mean, if everyone wants it. I hear people yelling, random. I think my neighbours are priming up for argument, so if I do a bit of carving, like loud noises, they'll piss off inside and do it. Dahu, yeah, pretty much, bro. Oh yeah, JT, you have 2 kids too?
Yeah.
Makes it easier. Okay. Oh, okay, ODP. Can't speak because it's gonna get much worse. Okay, so the main one is a solid schedule and enjoy it before they can talk. Yeah, I can believe that because my one is really lippy and oh, she knows how to push my buttons. So I ate all her lollies in front of her. And they were nice as she was pretty heartbroken. I was like, that's why you listen, otherwise this happens. Okay, yeah, that looks so good now. Let's turn them over. Oh, hold on. Let's do a bit of the helmet. What a sad guys. Nah, it was all me. It's like, listen, otherwise they're gonna get eaten. She was like, nah. It's like giving you one more chance. She's like, nah. So I grabbed them and then she comes over, can I have one? I was like, I didn't say you could have one. I'm gonna eat these all. And then she started getting sad. This is really starting to take shape. Yeah, thanks Fanta. Yeah, taking ages. I've been trying to carve off stream too, but man, it's been hard lately. Mainly because I don't want to leave the missus with the kids too long. So I start feeling bad because our big girl's quite full on. When did you start working on this piece? I can't even remember. 21 new LK. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. In the bed. Oh, sorry, in the bassinet, sorry. Yeah, no, we don't let our kids sleep with us till they're big. But our big girl doesn't sleep with us anymore. She's got her own bed. But she'll jump in the bed like early hours of the morning when she wakes up. Which is like normal, I believe. I hate it because I start getting feet in my face. And I'm like, bro! Alicia, I've been carving since I was 12. Oh, shit. Really rude. What is it? Odin from Assassin's Creed? Odin. Oh, come on, don't start drinking. This needs to be taken off a bit too, because it's still a bit square. Mind you, it looks so good though. Who else has hope for Cyberpunk? No, I didn't even think I got it in. Don't think I should since Shadowlands is out. Okay, we need to swap to my other lady. This is my lady. Okay, let's go. Drop that. Here we go. Let me just mark out his korowai too. Day drinking. Wow! Calm down now, Chris Warner. How you been, Jiggy? If I ruled the world, I'd give it all to you, girl. If I ruled the world. Man, I want to play some singing. Why you do this, DMCA? You're up there with the wholeheartedness of 2020. If I ruled the world, I'd give it all to you, girl. If I had the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I will call success as they go back inside to continue their argument. GG. It's him with a GG. How are you, Broxh? Yeah, I'm doing good, bro. I'm doing really good. I'm not raid ready. Well, haven't even done any M0s, but I'm good. Yo, Dix, thank you very much for the bits, brother. Hey, and Digital Wolf subscribing for 5 months. How do I donate? Wait till next year. Nah, scroll down, bro, and then you'll see. Man, I should just link the Rick Roll song to it for now. Good game, good game. Ah, yeah, if you want to, Fanta. I'm bored, dude. Sorry I missed the notification. Mate, it is all good, mate. Welcome to the stream anyways. Good to have you here. Okay, I need the picture with the back. Okay. Oh, Odin, why you gotta have the double corduroy? Okay, rats. The double corduroy. Hold on, fams, just trying to work this out. Did not know the bro had the double corduroy going on. Ramses is strong. Ramses is number 1. Yes, I am singing, it's my turn to sing. Is there much detail in the hair? No, I'm gonna cut lines in it to make it look like hair. Dawn, hey, Chur, my bro. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Oh, for the bits. Oh, and you're tier 2 as well. Bloody hell. I want to get a tier 2 with a bunch of good quotes, short and sweet ones. This may require explaining type of quotes. What's something you want to add to this tier 2 for me? Hold on for a minute. Alright. Yeah, it's pretty good run. There's a few fruit on there. Hang on, fams. Dante Sandwich, thank you very much for the sub, brother. They're like right there, eh? So I'm gonna just chill for a bit. Those goddamn passion fruits. Okay, shit. I'm back. Nah, it's my other neighbor. She's an old lady. I didn't want to be rude. Hey, Chur, my bro. Good to boy, brother. Same old, same old. How you been, bro? Okay, they're gone. So back to normal. Should make a Donny here, mate, with those creepy eyes. If I just screenshot his face, see? Okay. Where is the paper? There it is. None may think no. That's all I was gonna do. Where's my ruler? This'll do. My shoulder's way too high. Hey, PLL is like Thor. Something need doing. Work. Hi from Willie. Cheers, brother Slobber. Okay, I need my center line on the side. Damn, I didn't know you had two colourways on, I thought you only had one. You're mahi at the away from home. All week, mahi in whangamata. True, bro! Yeah, you're all good. Do that mahi first, brother. Okay, center line. It's a mystery. My love just won't set me free. It only happened when I look at you. I'm not hired from UBISOFT. They asked. Yeah, no, I'm not hired. Chip. Wow, that looks way off. Oh, actually, not really. Sorry, fine, I'm just trying to do up the center. Look in the center. So I'll just do this center line. Carry on. Okay, here we go. How far are we going to go? Getting ready to round it. Okay, which way's our grain going first? A bit of gamble. Okay, you'll go up there. So we go from there. Zug zug. Broxh is loaded. Whoa. I don't know about that one. Oh, shit. Come on. Just this knot fun. Woo. Yeah, rubber dub. Cheers, brother. Stuff from the top here. The blood pumping, eh? Let's go. What about something to protect the phone until my phone? If it falls on it, it falls on it. Hasn't fallen on it yet, so it must be alright. Tivanita. Oren, thank you very much for the 6 months, brother. Yo, congratulations on your badge upgrade too, my bro. Much appreciated, brother. Jeez. Thank you, bro. How does it feel to be the new? I have no idea who that is. Who's that? Does she play well? Oh, I don't even know who that is. Nope, don't know who that is. Like I said, I don't get out much. I just carve, watch streams, play well, dead, and that's it. Are you Kiwi? Nah, I'm Māori, that's why. Oh, kia ora guru. Oh yeah, I don't know by that name. I know as kia ora talofa lady. Kei te pēhea koe. Mate, you gotta say her real name. That's not her real name. Baby. Hey? No. And there's a horrific knot in the middle. You go straight through, brother. YOLO swag dog. Cheer for the sub, bro. God damn. Wrong music, yep, it most definitely is. P Squigs, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Ah, you're all good, JT. I'm gonna need to round it way more. Are you Kiwi? What? Of course not. What are you, a more? Right. Cheers, slobber. How's the old father coming along? Oh, he looks all good so far. He's getting rounded. Rounding him today, brother. Rounding him today. Just do perfect. Watch before going to sleep. Nice. Koyu. Nah, that's not how I see it, bro. I just there. Nah. I don't know. Use your Christmas money to buy Coke and Mentos or something. Just don't feel right there around this period. Slobber, it all depends. It all depends, bro. Oh shit! There we go. That over there is a chipmunk's nest. My life is good. Mirror tape, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Thank you, my bro. Waiting for PS5 restock to play Demon Souls. Yeah, me too, bro. I'm waiting for PS5 restock as well. I'm another one that missed out. It's all good though. Just wait for next year. Yeah, man, they sold pretty fast, eh? The PS5s. Who's all got one? Yeah, Cyberpunk's out in a few days. Not yet. Oh shit. Can't play well on the PS5. That is true. That is true. A bit of an awkward area I'm hitting it from. It's all good. I don't normally do it this way. I don't normally have a camera in front of me anyway, but it's all good. Country, just ask, bro. And then I'll answer. Hashtag no man-made monoliths over here. Just people chasing down cars were saying they had free money and it was fake. Oh, bro, shoulder, face, or head. You already know how it's gonna look. I've just been following these, bro. Trying to get it as close as I can to the picture, which is proving quite the challenge, not gonna lie. Quite the challenge, mate. Quite. This Māori music? Nah, bro. This is just a masculine man with a thick ass mustache that runs around with a shield. Oh, I can hear my daughter crying. We can take quite a bit off this shoulder too. Maybe even... Oh, come on. Me and you just sitting on the train. Me and you listening to the rain. Initiate date mode, yeah. I want to go in, but Mrs. Broxh is in there. Hopefully they're all good. I told her to yell out if she needs help. I am the big god in the house. I don't speak wind, air. What do you have for breakfast? Apple and water. Slurshy, thank you very much for the sub, brother. I'm almost complete. AC Valhalla. Nice, bro. I haven't even started. Don't even have it. I've managed to like stay away from teaser or gameplay really. But I'll need a bloody, what is it? Elgato thingy to stream off the P4. If I'm right. That's what you need, eh? One of those Elgato thingies. Okay, what I might do, should have done that first actually, let's drop this. How many wood carvings you got? I don't keep count, bro. I don't think any carver does really. Done many, but I've kept one so far that I'm probably going to give away. Genius, mean bro. No matter what type of wood carving you do, bro, just go hard, have fun. That's the main thing. Always the main thing you gotta do. Have some fun. Alright, I'm back. Chur JT, welcome back, brother. How you doing, brother? Wilfred Corn Puff? Yeah, I'm all good, brother. Sweet heads, just having a good day of carving, brother. Hello to Marinil and Mochi Face. It's late night here for me here, but anything for... Yeah, all good, Slick Space. Hey Yushi, g'day bro. Just trying to drop this section down. Hey Valoon, did you end up playing some WoW last night, bro? Yeah bro, I did. Not too much though. Oh man, usually when I start playing it's all depends on my kids when they go to sleep, and it's usually late and I'm usually tired and I just muck around on WoW. I was trying to level my shaman and then logged off and jumped on my pally on Frostmourne. How you been, Valoon? Yizio, yo! Yizzo, thank you very much for the 7, bro. How are you, my bro? Much appreciated, brother. Much love, Fran. Have you thought of doing any commissions? Yeah, I've got JT's one to do, which is just behind me, hidden away. Just trying to get this out the way. Thank goodness for him understanding though. Oh, I don't really have any interest in the pools there. They're a bit too much. What you working on right now? Just carving Odin from Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Just dropping down some levels. Yeah. Do you have eggs with fish and chips? No, never had that. That's a new one. Bro, I'm starving. Visual ASMR right here. Might have to put the camera in close here, see? Go eat then. Nah, I got nothing here. Gotta go get it, and can't just end stream and go and get food. Not like this. I'm also chucking the Siki Smoker stream. Hey. Okay. Cause we got a good thing going. A real good thing going, yeah. Do a cooking stream, bro. Bro, I'm open to it. I don't know what I'd cook though. And plus my kids will be home and it'll be noisy, so I'd rather not. I'm a person that is losing to depression since the age of mid-school. It's been over 5 years now. Don't you think sometimes you're blessed by God and stuff? Nah, I've never really thought that. I just... being happy is better. Yeah, I have my low days, but at the same time, you just gotta be grateful that you're in a better situation than others. Like, yeah, it sucks. Trust me, I've had low days recently, and I'm not one to tell because I'm as stubborn as a bloody bull. I'd rather just sort it out myself. Ways I dealt with it, like back in the day. Went to the gym, know your self-worth really. Yeah. What else? How did I deal with it? Talking bro, that was my main one. I was really open with how I felt. I usually talk to my mother because she was the one I usually fall to for help. Or my grandmother. I wasn't one to like bottle it all up because you know that's the worst thing you can do. And yeah, that's what I did, brother. Scroll Total, thank you very much for the bits, brother. And Puep for the 7. Thank you, brother. Oh, and Alberto Pin with the bits as well. Much appreciated, brother. Yeah, it's a hard thing to get through, eh? Like, it's not easy. But at the same time, what I used to think when I was in a ratchet state was, you'll come out better. Come out of it stronger. That was kind of like the thoughts I would have in my head all the time. Like all the time. But if you want to talk, bro, just DM me, bro. There's nothing wrong with letting someone know how you feel, and I'm just someone that wants to help. If that makes you feel better. Kia ora, Crosa. Yeah, it's not always about carving for me here, bro. It's about helping others too. And when you're ready, if not, that is totally fine, bro. Just make sure you come back every time. Just come and be with us, bro. Because there's like a stupid culture here in New Zealand. Like, if you're a man and or if you're a male and you tell someone that your feelings, like you're depressed or something, they'll tell you to harden up, and that's the stupidity around that culture. They tell you to eat concrete and harden up, and yeah, I don't really get into that crap. Any person that says that kind of shit here in Aotearoa, you're shitter. That's what I would say. Took Bean, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Lots of love, brother. Thanks, bro. Yeah, there's a really bad culture around it here in New Zealand. Like, if you're male and you tell someone how you're feeling, yeah, they'll probably get you harden up there. Eat some concrete, and it just makes the situation even worse. Yeah, it's not great at all, and that's why I'm open just to saying, bro, talk to me if you want. EA Gunner 96. Any culture is like that, right? I don't know. I'm not talking about any indigenous culture, I'm just talking about society. Yeah, hard-based. Like someone said it to my cousin and right in front of me, and then I stood up and said, well, what are you hiding? And he was quite shocked when I said that. Vincenzo Nappi, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Yeah, pretty much Gears game, that's what they would say. Which is stupid. Very true, Creenstar, very true. Yeah, that is very true, bro. Hard. Hard imagine. It's like when people talk shit about someone saying they said here, I'll shut them down faster than you can run to the toilet when you eat something bad. Okay, hey, I need to drop this. Hey, Mavi Boomer. Cheer, brother. Oh, we got a good thing going. So the guy that said he was but feeling a bit down. Here we never, brother. Here we never. Just know that. Start batting under his korowai. Didn't know this was commissioned by... Oh yeah, Wilfred. Yeah. Oh, Robert Dub. Cheers, brother. God, as soft as pudding. Hashtag dead pods unite. Why have a hard stomach when you can have a soft one? Have you seen Kung Fu Panda? Fat one over muscles that day. And against the grain. Where's the worst place you got in a splinter? I'll tell you when I get one. I'll lay someone else's hand. I'm pretty dead bored at the moment. Oh my. I hear commotion. Excel Club, thank you very much for the sub too, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Yeah, based pretty much, bro. Dead board's the best board. Oh, so it's actually going ahead. Wow. Yes. What a clout trout. What a clout trap. Pretty much, bro. Should be an interesting build up to it. If I go quiet, It's because they're about to argue outside, so if the string gets cut short, we'll blame it on them and a stray cat, maybe. Yeah, Ozza. Chur, brother, for the sub, bro. Chur, claim one. Panda and Tevin music, bro. It's lit, eh? Oh my. Oh. Someone got a secret Santa. Oh, hold on. They're laughing now. Just. Unlucky Slick Space probably won't be on anytime soon either, bro. Ah! Don't get so upset. Oh no, we got a text from Mrs. Broxh too. I'm hungry. Okay, what are we gonna do? Damn, I'm feeling it today and I don't want to stop, eh? I could go for a while. Probably go get feet. Before she becomes angry. I may have to. Oh, we'll see how we go first. Still got a while. I'll wait till she says hurry up. Oh, okay. Yo, Joe John Desu, thank you very much for the bits, brother. Hey, kia ora, Ryan. Much appreciated, brother. How are you, Ryan? Someone left crumbs on the cookie plate. You might like a YouTube channel called Mezio. He does world music and ambience videos for the zones. True, bro. Yeah, might have to check that out. Broxh should make the mini tutorial streams. I probably won't ever do tutorials, brother. Best way is to be here. Miss Salsa, thank you very much for the sub, bro. Fuck, they're starting to play legal music. Dude, the front looks so good. Thanks, brother. Yeah, it's getting near, my bro. Getting near. The beard looks mad. It's all good. Get out of here with your Chris Brown. Sounds like they just want to be a bloody nuisance. Hey, just as Maxwell on the label. Loving the beard. He just can't be bothered shaving. That's all. Trying to find my way back down to you.
Create the perfect Christmas gift and a beautiful personalised photo gift made by you and made with love. A gorgeous photo wall calendar for just
The seatbelt was the first thing that
I'm not ready to finish it, so I'll just turn up the music. You're not that kind of walk. Mod coin. Maya. Quick attack. Better than the gold duck, better than the mighty duck. We have Maya duck. Maya. Still a bit round. Oh, square, sorry. Part of the gods. Oh, I don't know about that, bro. Where did you learn the art of carving? Traditional Māori wood carving. I learnt off from my uncle. This type of carving, wangina. It's the first time I've done a carving outside my culture. Oh shoot. Chur freedom. Voice is heavenly. Yeah, nah. Not at all. Your emergency Red Bulls. Yeah, running dry, running dry. Might have to go buy some. Kinda, what is that? Actually don't know. Carvable wood, I would say. Thank you very much, oh damn, for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Cheer Hamilton, I'm doing good, brother. Red Bull Tropical, yeah bro, Red Bull Tropical. I want to try the coconut one though. But I don't think they make them here. Well, not that I'm aware of. King of puns. Oh, you don't keep up with him, bro. It never ends. This is the way. All the way from Saudi Arabia, finally watching the stream live. Well, welcome out there too, brother. Hope you are well, my dude.
Yeah.
All the puns are intentional humour. Intentional hoo-ha. How often do you have to sharpen your chisels? Oh, once every few weeks, brother. Suit Kicker, thank you very much for the sub, bro. How often do you have to... Oh, yes, we did. Don't lie, Logans. I see it now, bro. I see the chat now. Phones have been up to... Oh, there is one. Ratchet. I thought he was joking. Okay. How you liking Shadowlands, bro? It's so good, eh? So good. What do I do with my pencil? Coming off of BFA and all of that, I would say, yeah, definitely a good expansion. What do I do with my pencil? Found it. Oh. be flattened out a bit more. Hey Penalta and A-Level, I feel like I've missed a few A's, so I better go back. Clobs, thank you very much. SPXVC with the bit as well. And Soul Zero gifted a sub as well. Thank you very much, Farnies. Bloody no ears. Much appreciated, Farnie. I need it. Oh, just come and watch, Mark. All good. Don't have to have money to watch. You're all good. It's Christmas, man. Look after yourself. Claim one. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Thank you for the bits, brother. Didn't have to though, my bro. Contact. Favorite beer? I don't even drink, brother. Not anymore anyway. Just can't be bothered. Damn, he gives suns out, guns out, and you meaning? Yeah, go on. Love the smell of wood carvings. Oh, true, brother. Just trying to get more of a frontal look so it's not so straightforward and down. Gonna get down. Suns out, puns out, and you meaning for humble. Let's give him a look see. Thank you very much for the hope train finder. He's honestly didn't have to though. Man, I need a lot of army. So take that in even more. Take the risk and take it in even more. What you reckon? Oh, thanks. I just moved this vice. Because I'm going to come and look at it from your guys' angle too. Yeah, just working with the wood I got it. I mean, see how there's not much there. Because this gets dropped in, tucked into the top. But once we have both shoulders fully moulded, I'm going to drop them down some more. Because that's way too high. Way too high. So I'm thinking we might drop them here. Yeah, maybe might give them a bit. Converting some biceps, see?
Come back to the clubhouse or he'll kill you.
Doesn't look too bad. Father beard come out quite good, eh? I think that's the part I like the most, is the beard. Bro, that beard looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually quite impressed with it myself. Okay guys, this is what we're gonna do.
She's a liar anyway.
I'm gonna say Pokemon or Final Fantasy. Bunny Biddies, thank you very much for the sub. Yeah, for beard. So yeah, I'm gonna put lines in it and then we're gonna cut it out so it looks like hair.